Good morning. Hey guys, here we are. We're out on the driveway today. We are going to work on this handle right behind me here. This is our 2003 Dodge Ram. We are going to put a locking handle that we purchased here online. As you can see, it's got a key in it. We also have instructions for it, and we are going to follow those instructions. It says the tailgate has to be closed, but we're going to let you know. So stay tuned. All right, well, we read our instructions. And our instructions give you good advice on how to do the job. It's really short here. You can see it's a quarter of a page, if that. So it says take this off first. It tells you what tools you need. So we're going to start with this here and take off this plastic part. All right, first time we've had this off since we've owned the truck. Looks like we got another panel to remove. Voila, next piece off. All right, we're going to take some close-ups here and show you what's inside. Okay, now supposedly you just take these two bolts out, which makes sense here. Put them up there so in case we have to open this. Okay, you can see this part's loose, that falls out. Boom, piece of cake. Here's our other one. Now, we have to put this in. You gotta lift this up, put this in. See how that fell out of there, so we're gonna do it just like that. Okay, just like that, all right? Fits right in the opening. That's plastic, so don't over tighten your plastic. Looks like it's going to work just fine. You can test it by coming over here and latching this. Heard that unlatch? Works. All right. Snug it up just a shade more. All right, that's that for that. Now, one thing we want to do, you can see on the edge of it, so let's get this panel back on, and then we can work on our putting a little rust protectant on here. Alrighty, let's take a break and start putting it back together. Here's the old handle. It's heavier, of course. It's got the metal on it. Same ordeal, and we'll keep this in case something breaks. We'll keep this. Hey, we're back here. We're going to start putting it back together. We're going to start with this panel here. The nice thing is we don't see a lot of rust inside here. This is going to go on, and we're going to start by putting some of these screws back in. Alright, now one thing we brought out an old grease tube from the garage. Take a little grease on our finger here. Gonna go put this grease away before it makes a bloody mess and wash our hand. Okay, time to put this over it. Again, be careful not to over tighten your screws. Alright guys, you can see what we did here. It's on, it works. Tailgate opens fine, up and down. It has a key lock now. If you come in here with the key, can't open it now. If I pull this and force it, it won't open. It'll break the arm. So we're going to call this as safe and secured, and you are now protected. Tailgate does not open when people pass by. Well, if you enjoyed this project of putting on the locking latch, please like and subscribe to my videos. You'll see more neat stuff. Thumbs up for you when you do your project. Please give it a like if you like the project. I will put links so you can find these items, not only the latching lock, but some of the tools. Peace out.